Hello, Huntley 158 families. I wanted to send you a special message today to introduce a new initiative that we as a district and I personally am very excited about. While this year, much of our society's attention has been focused on the COVID-19 pandemic, there is another ever-present concern that is affecting the lives of our young people: social media. Even at our younger grades, children are becoming more closely tied to their phones. The apps they are using are cleverly, deviously designed to keep their attention by monitoring the content they click on and feeding them more. Both the makers and the fellow users of these apps are gaining unprecedented access to and information about our children, and that can be very scary for a parent. It's becoming more and more difficult to monitor their social media footprint and to do our part to keep them safe because we simply can't keep up. As a school district, we believe we have a role to play in educating not only our students, but also our community in helping to keep our kids safe and responsible in their use of social media. And we ourselves needed help and expertise in this area. And that's how we came to SmartSocial. We've examined it both as educators and parents, and we think it's going to be a great resource for our families. As a parent myself, I've learned a lot from their tools about how to stay on top of my own kids' social media and how to engage in healthy conversations about this topic. So we're excited to launch the first part of our initiative with SmartSocial, which includes access to their VIP, Very Informed Parent, video library, which contains a plethora of quick tutorials for navigating the good and the bad within social media apps. There, you'll probably learn a lot you didn't know about some of the apps that you're already familiar with, and a whole lot more about apps that you're not familiar with, but that your kids are. Their Zoom events are also great, and we're going to provide our families access to these as well, for free. I've attended one, and I found it to be very interactive and helpful in answering questions I had as a parent. Stay tuned to watch this short video from Josh Oakes, the founder of SmartSocial, previewing the kickoff parent webinar we hope that you'll be a part of on February the 18th. And over the next few weeks, we'll be sharing a lot more information for you about free tools from SmartSocial that you can use to learn and help your kids shine online. Stay tuned, and we'll see you soon.
Parents and teachers, I want to teach you the hidden safety features of TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Fortnite, YouTube, and Netflix for Android phones and iPhone phones. We've got a whole lot in store if you join this live webinar. Yes, it's live. I teach it. We're going to first teach you the hidden screen time feature inside of iPhones and Androids that they don't want you to know about it, and how to activate it to protect your family. Next, I'm going to teach you the hidden part of the YouTube app they do not want you to know so that we can limit screen time for your kids to work with them, not against them. Next, I'm going to teach you exactly where the dangerous Snapchat feature is located and how to turn it off. Next, how to find out if your student has a second or fake Instagram account, also known as a Finstagram account, a spam account, and so on. How TikTok can change your students' online future, how to change your students' relationship with Fortnite, and how dangerous video games can impact students. This is huge. And a feature in Netflix that will help your family reduce screen time in a really positive way. I've got this and a whole lot more. I hope you'll join me live. You can go to smartsocial.com or click the links above and below and join our most recent webinar. I'll see you there. Have a great day.